Okay, so here's our buff and recoat. Floors were in fair condition. Some places where the beds had scrubbed and worn through the finish, but that's all cured. Minor. You can't get rid of some things without sanding. Looks great. Looks 95% like it was just sanded and finished. Where'd that drawer go?
It's in the other room.
Oh.
We tried to put it in and it was like so tight. I don't want to break it. I said that right there to it. Better put the stuff back.
Okay.
So I don't want to break it. There was a lot of paint on the floor.
What, Chino, take it off with the scraper ahead of you?
Yes. It was there. Yes.
Oh, what the heck?
Yeah, it's pretty much too.
Huh.
And look at this shit.
I didn't even know this room was here.
Look at this shit.
What's that? Ah. Oh, it's got a rubber thing on the door. Where'd this come from?
I don't know, man. It was a nightmare. That was this.
I didn't even know that was there either.
Shit to go there.
I didn't even know that was there either. Good thing you opened the doors.
Yeah, I know.
Well, you got to do the closet, and then you go in the closet and you're like, hello, it's a room. That would be cool if you were a kid. You could have that as a little honeycomb hideout. Can't do nothing about dog pee.
No, and this when I tried to put the stuff, it doesn't drop nothing.
Yeah. Can't do nothing about dog pee except take the boards out, sand and set. It's the only way to get them out. I mean, if it's just a light amount, but when it's dark like that, you know it went deep. All right, beautiful. Smack another coat on it and we'll call it a day.